Now I want to talk about how we can create custom links with our menu. So that means that there are some websites with just one page, and then you want to click on the menu and you want to be taken to the same page but where the item is. Like now, look at this website. Let's say you want to come to this place. Estimates are always free. So you just create a custom link that can take you there. Now let me show you what I'm talking about when it comes to the custom link. So now this time around we are going to create a new menu. Okay, but before we create that new menu, now let us call this services. Now let's call this services. Let's drag this heading and put here. Let's call this services. Services, and let's put it in the center. Okay, very good. Okay, you update that. So now that we are done with that, what you just need to do, come to advanced, click on services, come to advanced options, then you come to CSS ID. Okay, so CSS ID, just write services there, services. Okay, then you've updated that as services. Very good. Okay, now the next thing, let's look at this. Okay, let's also click on this and then let's call it estimates. Okay, let's click on this, advanced, come to your class ID, just write estimates. Okay, try the estimates. That's done. Write estimates. That's good. Let's look for another one. Okay, then click on these two, come to advanced, and write how it works. So don't put how it works. So I'm not putting a space, I'm just putting like this, how it works. All right, how it works. Okay, so let's look for any other thing. Okay, I think that's just 3. Okay, now that we've done that, now let's go to our dashboard. So you exit to the dashboard, and then we come to our appearances, and then we come to menu, then you add a new menu. So now let's create a new menu. Okay, now let's call this menu let's call it menu 2. Okay, let's call it menu 2, then enter. Okay, then you can decide to make this the primary menu 2, then you save that. So now you want to add items to the menu. So to add items, just come to custom links, just put hashtag, then let's put services. Okay, then let's write our services here, and then we add to menu. Okay, that's first. Then the other one, put a hashtag, okay, estimates. All right, so the link is estimate, then we add estimates, then we add to menu. I think how it works is the other one. If you are enjoying this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can continue to enjoy more premium content such as this. Hashtag how it works. Okay, so you can put the link test as how it works. Okay, finally add to the menu, then we save that. Okay, now let's go to our pages again, all pages, Then we'll come to our home page. You edit with Elementor. Very good. So you see our services, estimates, how it works are there already. So now let me click on services. Let's see what happens. So you see it brought me to where the services is on the same page. Now let me click on estimates. Yeah, you see, brought me to where the estimates are on the same page. And then how it works. Okay, how it works is not working. Okay, so what's wrong? What's wrong with how it works? Let's see. Okay, so how it works is not working, and I've gotten the error. Now we just put how it works, so it's not correct here, so let's just put the R. See, always ensure that your spellings are correct. So now let me save that and go back to the home page. So pages all, and then you edit with Elementor. Elementor. Okay, now let's click on it. See, took us there. So what was wrong was the spelling. So it was how it works. There was no how there. So that was why the thing didn't go to where it's expected to go.